That's just our love.
What's up? It's your boy Drizzy Drake, and you are now rocking with DJ Payne.
Love. I got on alligator shoes. Peanut butter gut, then I here gripping on this leather, niggas sliding through the book. Birds of a feather flock together, so I'm shining with my cuz. Shit, we just threw them on the table and they all white like some doves. She fucking with me, I'm motivated, and I get the loot. I demonstrate on all the hate, I be stunned too. Shit, I been racing for the cake since I left the womb. They always said that I be great, now it's time to prove. So now you witnessing the better me. I thought heartbreak and disgrace and the fate would be the death of me, but I never let you take what's left of me. I'm still the same, but the energy inside has made a clever me. I stay away from A like letter Z, but I bring it back around and draw down if you play with me. I'm from that A, I got that K with me. I'm really all about my money. It's about $1 every day with me.
19 Wolf, baby.
That's just our love.
That's just my love.
Woo.
Wake up every day and go get that money.
That's just our love.
I do it for you.
Woo.
For sure.
That's just our love.
I got anything you want. Yep.
That's just our love.
That's just our love.
Yeah. First two just for you, my little honey boo. I'm going through a lot of shit that I'm battling through. Never go out like a bitch, that ain't radical. I hide that dope off in the ceiling, call us the attic crew. I had to break up out my feelings, I ain't mad at you. I talked to Mom Duke, she said it's something that she would do. I had to read between the lines, just to see the truth. Now I'm up on all my rhymes, and I'm in the booth. I be slicing up them dimes, come cop a few. I get surgical with that razor, like the doctors do. You can hate, but it won't phase. Got some shit to pop at you. You feel like the GOAT and you done made when the whole city rock with you. That's just our love.
It's your boy.
Woo. That's just our love.
Yeah. It ain't too much I love.
That's just our love.
I love the game though.
Whoa. That's just our love.
I know how to play. Yeah.
That's just our love.
It's just a way of life.
That's just our love.
That's just our love. For sure. Hey, go on and pop the seal on that motherfucker, man. Pour me up a double shot. Yes, sir. Yeah. All love 19 Wolf, man.